Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you what's inside the package of EC6 Panorama and how to connect it to your phone and how to install it. When unpacking EC6 Panorama, there's a little white box. All of the accessories, menu and warranty card can be found in this white box. Now let's take a look at EC6 Panorama. This is our new outdoor security camera. It also comes with two lenses, just like our EC6 Dual. The two lenses are on the front of the camera. They work together to expand the viewing angle to 180 degrees. Right below the two lenses are the built-in spotlights. So EC6 Panorama can deter the suspects using sirens, flashes, or even your custom voice message. What I'm about to show you right now is the most fantastic part about EC6 Panorama. As you can see in the video, EC6 Panorama can rotate for up to 344 degrees. The rotating ability makes EC6 Panorama a very unique outdoor security camera that can track suspects while providing a 180-degree panoramic view. At the bottom of the EC6 Panorama, there's a slot where you can insert a micro SD card so your footage can be stored locally without a monthly subscription fee. Right next to the slot, there's also a reset button for you to reset the camera. On the top of the camera is the mount for you to install EC6 Panorama under the ceiling, on the wall, or even on a column. EC6 Panorama comes with a power port and an Ethernet port, so you can connect EC6 Panorama to a network through Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable. And this is the power port. Now let's take a look at the accessories. These are the waterproof plugs. EC6 Panorama is IP66 weather resistant, so in case you don't need the Ethernet port, you can plug the port using the plugs, so the water won't damage the port. Of course, EC6 Panorama comes with a screw pack, power adapter, a manual, and a warranty card for an extra 1-year warranty. These are the mounting templates for you to position EC6 Panorama, for example, on the wall. In IMILAB's new packages, now there's a surveillance sticker. You can stick the sticker on the wall to let the suspects know that your house is protected 24/7 with video and audio surveillance, so they'll know that they should probably just go away and don't try anything stupid. To set up your EC6 Panorama, the first thing we need to do is to power the camera. Connect the power port to the power adapter and plug the power adapter into the socket. When the EC6 Panorama is powered on, it will automatically rotate to calibrate its position.
Please use the mobile phone scan the QR code on the boarding label and the configuration interface. Waiting for connection.
Alright, sounds like it's time to connect the network, which also means connect EC6 Panorama to your phone. Please make sure that you already downloaded Xiaomi or Mi Home app to your phone. Once you have the app, click the 3-dot icon at the top right and then select Add Device or simply scan the QR code. It will ask you to reset the device. You probably don't need to do that if it's your first time connecting the camera. And then it's going to ask you whether you want to connect it through Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable. In this case, I chose Wi-Fi. Click the join here, then you're all set. All that you need to do is wait for it to finish the connection. If it doesn't work, then you probably need to reset the camera and try it again.
Connection to Wi-Fi completed. Pairing to account completed. Device online.
Alright, everything is done. And then the app is going to ask you where you're installing the camera. In this case, I selected the living room. And then several settings that you need to set. Simply click in the next is fine. There's a lot of customizations you can do in the app. For example, setting the video quality, EC6 Panorama supports up to 3.5K resolution. As you can see here, you can remotely control the camera in the app to make it pan or tilt. EC6 Panorama can pan for up to 344 degrees and tilt for up to 90 degrees. The footage looks a little bit shaky here, and that's because it was my colleague holding the camera when we were filming the footage. This panoramic view was filmed at the same time by the two lenses, so being able to rotate is what makes the EC6 Panorama so special. EC6 Panorama uses AI to detect humans, vehicles, or even bikes. You can also set things like virtual fences or motion zones in the app. They can help you monitor important areas and reduce false alarms. Now, if you click at the three dots icon at the top right, there are more settings for you to customize the EC6 Panorama. For example, the image settings and the night vision function. For example, you can select Smart Full Color, which is the Smart Color Night Vision. When it's on, EC6 Panorama will only switch to full color surveillance when it detects people to help you save on electricity. You can also enable human tracking here, so EC6 Panorama will automatically track the humans passing by. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching.